how to enable or disable TalkBack Braille keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. So you will see General Management is here. So click on General Management. Now here, so click on Keyboard. So after click on Keyboard, so you will see TalkBack Braille keyboard is here. So if you want to enable TalkBack Braille keyboard, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see TalkBack Braille keyboard is enabled. So if you want to disable TalkBack Braille keyboard, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see TalkBack Braille keyboard is disabled. So you will enable or disable TalkBack Braille keyboard from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable TalkBack Braille keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.